Hello everyone. On this video, I'm going to show you on how to switch the card number format that what displays on the card events from either decimal or weekend. So some of our cards, for example, our SIT tags will not have a site code. It will only have a decimal number printed in it. So some cards also have site codes and decimal numbers at the same time. So you can actually use both of them to enroll on the system. So for example, I'll show you right now. When I scan my card, right now it's gonna give me the site code and the card number. So this is the format. This is the weekend format. Now if you want to change that format to decimal, all you have to do is go into setup, then go to communication configuration, and then from here go to desktop reader and card number format tab on the left, and then up there on the right hand side under card number format you'll have an option here to change that. So right now it's selected as weekend, and that's the sample display that you'll see when you scan the card. If you change that to decimal, then you will have the long number 8 to 9 numbers starting with zeros. So we'll select decimal right now, apply that setting, and then click OK. And you'll notice right away that the card number changes. Now it only displays card number, which is decimal. Okay, so that's how you set or change the format of what you want to see on the card events. Okay, all right, so that's the way to do it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.